Eight.
No, 4. 1. Good job. 8. 5.
Zero.
8. 2. Good job. Good job.
Double.
Look for number 1. Where number 1? 1. Show. Good job. Put on number 1. Yes. Now where number 2? Number 2. Pick number 2. Pick number 2.
That.
No. Pick number 2. Yes. Show. Yeah. Put on number 2. Where? Yeah. Oh no. Wrong.
Here.
Good job. Yeah. Now look at the count. Count.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Where here 4?
4.
Hmm? What is it?
A, B, C, D,
No.